GEP, the Slow English Podcast.
Your journeys start now. Hello, English learners. Welcome to your podcast.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here.
Today, we talk about a very important topic.
Yes, this topic helps you speak English better.
Today, we talk about thinking in English.
This is very useful for your daily life.
Do you translate in your head? Do you think in your language?
Many learners do this. It is normal. Do not worry.
Today, we learn how to stop translating. We learn how to think in English.
This is a big step, but you can do it.
Do not worry, we speak slowly. You can follow us.
Let's learn together. Start now.
What does translate in your head mean? Let me explain.
Yes, please explain, Anna.
When you hear English, you think in your language first.
Can you give an example?
Yes. Example. You hear, "How are you?"
Then you think in your language. You think, ¿Cómo estás?
Yes, that is translating in your head. You think in your language first.
Is this bad? Should we stop?
It is not bad, but it slows you down. You want to think in English directly.
I see. Direct English thinking is faster.
Yes, when you think in English, you speak faster. You understand faster too.
How do we do this? How do we stop translating?
Good question. We have many tips for you today.
Why is thinking in English better? Can you explain?
Yes, let me tell you why thinking in English is good.
I want to know too.
First, you speak faster. You do not wait for translation.
That is great. No waiting.
Second, you understand better. You hear English words directly.
Direct understanding is better.
Third, you feel more confident. Speaking feels natural.
Confidence is very important.
Fourth, you remember more words. Your brain practices English every day.
So thinking in English is like practice.
Yes. Every time you think in English, you practice. You get better.
Practice makes perfect. I understand now.
Yes. Practice every day. Think in English as much as you can. Now, how do we stop translating? What can we do?
Yes. What are your tips, Anna?
Tip number 1, talk to yourself in English.
Talk to myself? How?
Yes, say simple things. Say, I am eating breakfast. Say, the weather is nice.
I can do this. I talk to myself every day.
Good. Now, tip number 2, describe things around you.
Describe things? What do you mean?
Look at a cup. Say, this is a cup. Look at a window. Say, it is open.
I see. Describe everything in English.
Yes, this helps your brain practice English all the time.
What is tip number 3?
Tip number 3, think in English before sleep.
Before sleep? How?
Before you sleep, think about your day. Think in English. Say, today I was happy.
This is a great tip. I will try this tonight.
Tip number 4, use simple English words first.
Simple words? Not hard words?
Yes, start with basic words. Use words you know well.
What basic words should I use?
Use words like I, you, are, have, go, eat, drink, sleep, like, want.
These are easy words. I know them well.
Yes, use these words. Make simple sentences. Practice every day.
Is there tip number 5?
Yes, tip number 5, do not fear mistakes.
Mistakes? I am afraid of mistakes.
Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay. We learn from mistakes.
Tip number 6, listen to English every day.
Listen how much?
Listen for 10 minutes or 5 minutes. A little is good.
Every day? Even 5 minutes?
Yes, every day is important. Practice makes you better. Yes. Exercise number 1. Morning routine.
Morning routine. Tell me more.
In the morning, say what you do. Say, I wake up. Say, I brush my teeth.
I can do this. This is easy.
Exercise number 2. Count in English.
Count, like 1, 2, 3?
Yes. Count things. Count your steps. Count your cups. Count everything.
Count in English. This is fun.
Exercise number 3. Describe your food.
Describe my food. How?
When you eat, say what you eat. Say, I eat an apple. Say, the apple is red.
Describe food. This is a great exercise.
Exercise number 4. Label your room.
Label my room. What do you mean?
Put English labels on things. Put door on door. Put window on window.
So I see the word every day?
Yes, you see the word, you think the word, you learn the word.
This is brilliant. I will try this.
Exercise number 5. Think one sentence before sleep.
One sentence? Just one?
Yes, one simple sentence. Say, today was a good day. Think this in English.
One sentence before sleep. I can do this.
These exercises are simple. Do them every day. You will see results. Now we learn key words from today.
Yes, I want to learn new words.
First word, translate. Translate means change words from one language to another.
Translate. I translate English to my language.
Yes, say it with me. Translate. Translate. Good.
Translate. I understand this word now.
Next word, think. Think means use your brain. You think ideas.
Think. I think about my day.
Good. Think. Think. Very good.
Think. This is an easy word.
Next word, brain. Brain is in your head. You use brain to think.
Brain. My brain learns English.
Yes, brain helps you learn. Say it. Brain. Brain. Great.
Brain. I use my brain to think.
Next word, practice. Practice means do something many times.
Practice. I practice English every day.
Yes, practice makes you better. Practice. Practice. Good.
Practice. I understand this word now.
Next word, mistake. Mistake is when you do something wrong.
Mistake. Everyone makes mistakes.
Yes, mistakes are okay. Mistakes help you learn. Say it. Mistake. Mistake.
Mistake. I am not afraid of mistakes.
Next word, confident. Confident means you believe in yourself.
Confident. I am becoming more confident.
Yes, you can do it. Confident. Confident. Great.
Confident. I feel confident in English.
Next word, exercise. Exercise is practice. You do exercise to get better.
Exercise. I do English exercises every day.
Yes, exercise helps you learn. Exercise. Exercise. Good.
Exercise. This word is very useful.
Next word, label. Label is a word on something. You put label on object.
Label. I put labels on my room things.
Yes, label helps you remember. Label. Label. Great.
Label. I understand this word now.
Next word, routine. Routine is what you do every day.
Routine. My morning routine is important.
Yes, morning routine, evening routine. 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 Good.
Routine. I have a daily routine.
Last word, result. Result is what happens after you try.
Result. I want to see good results.
Yes, after practice, you see results. Result. Result. Great.
Result. I will work hard for results.
Great job. You learned 10 new words today.
Yes, these words are very useful.
Review these words. Use them in your sentences. Practice every day. Now it is time for reflection questions. Think about your answers.
Yes, think about these questions. This helps you learn.
Question 1. Do you translate in your head when you hear English? Yes or no?
Think about this. Be honest with yourself.
Question 2. Do you think in English before sleep? Yes or no?
Try to think in English before sleep tonight.
Question 3. Do you talk to yourself in English? Yes or no?
Talking to yourself is a good practice.
Question 4. Do you label things in your room? Yes or no?
Put labels on things. It helps you learn.
Question 5. Do you listen to English every day? Yes or no?
Even 5 minutes is good. Listen every day.
Question 6. Are you afraid of mistakes? Yes or no?
Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes help you grow.
Question 7. Do you practice counting in English? Yes or no?
Count things. Count your steps. Count in English.
Question 8. Do you describe food in English when you eat? Yes or no?
Describe your food. Say what you eat.
Question 9. Do you feel more confident now? Yes or no?
You are doing great. You are learning every day.
Question 10. Will you try to think in English today? Yes or no?
Try it. Think one sentence in English right now.
Question 11. What is your favorite tip from today?
Think about your favorite tip. Why do you like it?
Question 12. How many minutes will you practice English today?
Even 5 minutes is good. Every minute counts.
Question 13. Do you understand thinking in English now? Yes or no?
Understanding is the first step. You are on your way.
Question 14. Will you put labels on 3 things today? Yes or no?
Start small. Put labels on 3 things. See the words every day.
Question 15. Are you ready to stop translating and start thinking in English?
You can do it. Believe in yourself.
Great job today, English learners.
You worked hard today. I am proud of you.
Today, we learned how to think in English.
This is a very important skill.
Do you remember the 6 tips?
Talk to yourself. Describe things. Think before sleep. Use simple words. Do not fear mistakes. Listen every day.
Yes, these tips will help you. Practice these tips every day.
Practice is key. Practice makes perfect.
Remember, your brain can learn. Your brain can think in English.
Yes, trust your brain. Trust yourself.
Do you feel more confident now?
You should feel confident. You learned so much today.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, every mistake helps you grow.
Practice English every day. Even 5 minutes is good.
Listen to English, speak English, think in English.
You are on a great journey. Keep going.
We believe in you. You can do it.
Thank you for listening today. Thank you for learning with us.
We love helping you learn English.
Remember, think in English. Do not translate. You can do it.
See you next time. Keep practicing.
Goodbye, English learners. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Keep learning. You are great.
Your learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep improving your English. Click the next video or explore more episodes we've picked just for you. See you in the next lesson.